Hey everyone, welcome to Focal AI, an AI tool that lets us create our own movies, as you can see here. Basically, it allows us to make videos using artificial intelligence. To get started, we'll just click Get Started and then continue with Google. As you can see, we're here with 250 credits to begin with. Let's click New Project and create one to see how it works. Here we set the duration. Let's make it as long as possible. We choose narration or dialogue and a template if we want to use a video. I'll select Running from Zombies and set it to 10 minutes in English. I'll send it and it'll start generating the script. The script can be up to 30,000 words long. Well, if the video needs to be 10 minutes long, the script can be quite lengthy, right? Alright, we've got 8,000 words here. Let's hit continue. Now they're asking for the style we want. Shall we go with photorealistic or cartoon? There are different styles, but let's stick with photorealistic, okay? We'll choose landscape, and for captions, let's go with standard or scene, alright? Now we're selecting the characters' locations. They're being generated. See, we'll wait for them to generate. Meanwhile, we can choose narration, narrator type, and voice. Let's wait for the characters. There they are. Eli, Deck, Jess, Zombie. Locations are forests and another forest. Items will be a jet, a jeep, a backpack, and a pocket knife. It's looking really good, isn't it? Let's click on Credit Project. What's that? It only cost me 4.5 credits. No, that can't be right, can it? Let's wait for everything to generate. Looks like we generate them one by one. Wait, maybe now we'll see the credit usage. I knew it was too good to be true. First image generated, 246 credits. Let's see. Does it make them all at once? Hope so. I'll accept. There's the credit usage. How did it do that? But wait, each image lasts 16 seconds? Yep, 16 whole seconds each. That's too long. We've got voiceovers and images. Not bad. But again, 16 seconds per image is overkill. We can add speech, sound, video, edit, change style. It's about voices, characters, and locations. Here are characters. Video length seems long, I admit. 10 minutes might be too ambitious, but hey, that's how we can use it. How can we use Focal AI to make viral videos? Or how would I do it? Well, let's click on New Project, okay? Obviously, a viral video doesn't need to be too long. In fact, the shorter it is, generally, the better. It doesn't have to be, right? It's not a rule, but many viral videos that get famous are just 10 seconds long. I say it's better because you spend less time making a 10-second video than a 1-minute one, right? So it's better to make 10-second videos. Makes sense, doesn't it? Let's select boom, 30 seconds narration, and we can use a template. We'll go without a template. This is where we need to think, okay? An idea that grabs attention. Silly phrases, nonsense words, that kind of stuff, you know? Well, I won't overthink it, but for example, how about a Norwegian fight against Vikings? We'll send it and it'll understand what we're asking for and generate a script for us, okay? There's the script, 566 words. Let's choose a style. Now let's ask for, say, a Sherlock Holmes style, right? A 3D render or anime. Okay, let's go with anime style. We want it in portrait, vertical format. We'll probably want subtitles, and it's generating the characters now. We can change the narrator if we want. That might not seem important, but it is. And there we have the characters. We've got Runa, Viking, Fjord, Forest, and Horn. Alright, let's continue. We can add more voices for other characters, by the way. Now let's hit create, and then we click generate. We'll generate this part. It's only 30 seconds. Let's see if it makes several images for that. This is kind of the issue I had with the general section. It was a bit stingy, you know? You could say that, with all due respect to the staff, of course. And here it comes, here it comes. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images in 30 seconds. Except, of course, much better. And there it is. As you can see, the captions are great. Let's remove them. How do we remove the captions? Well, now that I've found the option. Look, there it is. In settings, remove captions. Here we can also choose which model we want for generation and such, and voice model. But anyway, there we have it. Let's hit play. And there's the whole story created and all. So it's not bad at all. It's true, we're missing some animations there. Look. Select the image, click animate, hit go. Let's see if it animates. Yes, it's animating. Yes, it's really animating. I'll animate everything just to make the video go viral. So no one can say I did clickbait. Okay, animate, go. Actually, no one says I do clickbait, but still, there it is. Let's wait. So yeah, there we have it. Let's see if... Oh my god, the animation. Look. Not bad, huh? It's true I'm missing some details. I'm missing subtitles. The subtitles it gave me were awful, honestly. We'd have to add them ourselves. But it's not bad at all, huh? Not bad at all. It's true we've used up our credits, though, on animating things. But well, it's that simple. I hope you enjoyed it.